Hello students, welcome back to my channel Words and Numbers. In today's video we will solve class 8 maths chapter 2 exercise 2.5 sums 6 to 10. So let's start. First of all, the equation is m minus 1 over 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 over 3. First of all, we will find the LCM of the denominators 2 and 3, and the LCM is 6. Now we will multiply both sides, left hand side and right side of the equation with the LCM, that is 6, to get rid of the fractional numbers. So the equation will become 6m minus 6 m minus 1 over 2 is equal to 6 into 1 minus 6 m minus 2 over 3. Students, I just simply multiply all terms with the 6. Now we will solve it. 6 into m, 6m, minus 3 into m, 3m, plus, why the plus sign? Because minus into minus is plus. 3 into 1, 3 is equal to 6 into 1, 6, minus 2 into m, 2m, minus into minus plus 2 into 2, 4. The equation will be this. Now students, we will bring variables to one side and constants to the other sides. So the equation will be 6m minus 3m plus 2m. Why plus 2m? Because here it is the negative sign. When we shift it to the left hand side, the sign changes to positive. 6 plus 4 minus 3. Why minus 3? Because when we shift positive 3 to the right hand side, it will become negative. Now students, we will solve this. 6m plus 2m is 8m minus 3m is equal to 6 plus 4, 10 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5, 5m is equal to 7. Now we will divide both sides by 5. 5 cancelled out and the value of m is 7 over 5. So student, first of all, we will open the brackets. So now we will open the brackets. 3 into t, 3t, minus 3 times 3 is 9 is equal to 5 into 2, 10t, plus 5 into 1, 5. Now we will bring variables to one side and constant to the other sides. Minus 9 minus 5 is equal to 10t minus 3t. Why minus 3t? Because when we shift positive 3t to the right hand side, the positive sign changes to negative sign. Minus 9 minus into minus become plus. So 9 plus 5 is 14, but the sign remain of negative because the bigger digit is in negative, is equal to 10 minus 3 is 7. So it becomes 70. Now we will divide both sides by 7. 7 cancel out. So the t is equal to minus 2, because here it is minus sign, negative sign. So answer is t is equal to minus 2. The next equation is 15y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5y plus 6 is equal to 0. First of all, we will open the brackets. So now we will open the brackets. 15 into y becomes 15y minus 15 times 4 is 60. Minus 2 into y, 2y. Minus into minus become positive. 2 times 9 is 18. Plus 5 into y, 5y. Positive into positive is always positive. 5 times 6 become 30 is equal to 0. Now we will bring the variables to the one side and constants to the other side. So 15y minus 2y plus 5y is equal to, we will shift minus 60 to the right hand side and minus 60 will become positive 60. Plus 18 will become minus 18 and positive 30 will become minus 30. Why? Because when we shift any constant or variable to the other side, the sign always changes. Now we will solve this. 15y plus 5y, 20y minus 2y is equal to 60 minus 48. Minus 48, we first will add the negative terms. 20 minus 2, 18, y is equal to 60 minus 48 is equal to 12. Now we will divide both sides by 18. Both 18 cancelled out. And the value of y is 2 over 3. Here student, next equation is 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. First, we will open the brackets. The equation is now we will open the brackets. 3 into 5 is 15. So it becomes 15z minus 3 into 7 is 21 minus 2 into 9, 18, 18z minus into minus become positive and 2 times 11 is 22 is equal to 4 into 8 is 32, 32z minus into positive into minus is always minus. 4 into 13 is 52 minus 17. Now student, we will bring the variables to the one side. 15z minus 18z minus 32z. We will shift the variable to this side is equal to minus 52 minus 17 and positive 22 will shift to the this side and it become negative. So when we solve it, the answer is minus 35z is equal to minus 70. We will divide both sides by 35. 35 cancelled out, and the negative signs also get cancelled out, and the z value of z becomes, we will simplify this, and the value of z is 2. Z is equal to 2. The next equation is 0.25 into 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. First of all, we will solve the decimal terms. So it will become 25 over 100. So I write here 100. Why? Because the number of zeros depend on how many digits are after decimal point. So in this term, after the decimal point, there are 2 digits, 2 and 5. So 25 over 100. 4f minus 3 is equal to 5 over 100. Why 5 over 100? Because here after the decimal there is 2 digits, 0 and 5. 10f minus 9. Now first of all we will simplify the fractions. Now the equation will be 1 over 4. 4f minus 3 is equal to 1 over 20 10f minus 9. Now we will find the LCM of the denominators 4 and 20. The LCM of 4 and 20 is 20. Now we will multiply both sides by 20. That is the LCM that we had found. So the equation will be 20 into 1 over 4. 4f minus 3 is equal to 20 into 1 over 20 10f minus 9. First we simplify it. Now the equation will be 5 4f minus 3 is equal to 10f minus 9. Now we will open up the brackets. 5 times 4 is 20f minus 5 times 3 is 15 is equal to 10f minus 9. Now we will bring the variables to one side and constants to the other side. So 20f minus 10f is equal to negative 9 plus 15. Why plus 15? Because here it is in negative. So when we shift any constant or variable to the other side, their sign always changes. 20 minus 10 is equal to 10f is equal to minus plus become minus 15 minus 9 is 6. Now we will divide both sides by 10. Both 10 cancel out, and we now will simplify the fraction. It will become 3 over 5. So the value of f is 3 over 5, or we can convert this fraction into decimal, and after dividing 3 by 5 we get 0.6. So the value of f in the decimal form is 0.6. So students, if you want such more videos, then like and subscribe my channel Words and Numbers.